First, you're going to go into your Notes app, and in your Notes app, you're going to go ahead and press the Compose button. The Compose button is at the bottom right corner. Once you click on it, you're going to click on the button that is a paperclip. It is the fourth button. When you click on that button, you're then going to click on Scan Document. You're then going to take your 3 papers, and you don't have to press any buttons. It'll automatically take its picture. Once you're done taking all 3, you press Save 3 on the bottom right corner. When you've done the correct scanning, you'll see all of them are on the right. You're then going to click on where it says Scan Documents, and you're going to go ahead and click on Rename at the very bottom next to Delete. You're then going to change this to How to Make a PDF. You're changing it to the name of the assignment. You then click on Save. Once your PDF is saved, you're going to go ahead and click on the Export button, which is on the top right corner. From here, you need to make sure that this part says Send Copy, not Collaborate. Once you have that, you scroll down to the very bottom and click on Save to File. Once you click on Save to File, automatically just save it. And from there, you go to Schoology and you go ahead and upload it. Go ahead and click on Sign In through School. I'm going to search Grover Cleveland Charter High, and I'm going to click on the one that says 8590. From here, I'm going to click on Go to SSO. I sign in using all my credentials, my email, and my password. From here, I'm going to click on where it says I am human. I approve. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click on my courses. I'm going to go directly to my course that I have to turn in my assignment to. And first, I'm going to go ahead and turn in How to Make a PDF, turn that one in with the iPhone. Here, I'll click on Submission. From here, I'll go ahead and press on the plus sign. In the plus symbol, I'm going to go ahead and click on Submit from iOS Apps. Now this is where you'll find the PDF that you made for the iPhones from Notes. You're going to click on How to Make a PDF, and from there you're going to upload it.